Question 51. Each of 6 historical events occurred in a different year. You are asked to arrange the 6 events in ascending order by the years they occurred. You know the earliest and the latest. You randomly order the other events. What is the probability that you order the 6 events correctly? So for any event, which just happens to be called the same thing that we're using here, but for any like roll of the die or draw of a card, you want to make a line to indicate every time you make a decision or a choice, anytime you have a different event that's occurring. And here, our events are actually events, and we have 6 of them. So we draw 6 lines, and in each of these spaces, we want to put the probability of getting the correct answer. So if we know the first and the last, then our probability is 1. It's 100%. We're going to get it right for sure because we know for a fact what the earliest year is and what the latest year is. So we were drawing from 6 events, right? We've placed 2, so now with these, we're left with 4 possible events. So if we're randomly ordering them, there's one right one, right? Probability is always the number of ways that you can have a success over the total possible ways that you could pick an answer. So here we've got 4 possible events left, and only one of them is right. So we've got a 1/4 chance of getting that. Now, after we've placed this here, assuming that we got it right, we're left with 3, right? So there's one right answer out of what's, now we've got 3, right? And here we've only got 2 events to choose from, so we've got a 1/2 chance of picking the right one. And if all of these other 5 are right, then the one left is going to be the one that's right. So we've got one possible choice. And then we just multiply these together. So we've got really what breaks down to 1/4 times 1/3 times 1/2. 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24, so it's 1/24. So, see, we've got a 1/24 chance of ordering those 6 events correctly.